Learning the value of wealth. What if true wealth had nothing to do with the number of zeros in your bank account and everything to do with the quality of your days and the peace in your heart? We often chase financial numbers while missing the deeper meaning of what makes a life truly rich and fulfilling. Wealth is not merely an accumulation of possessions, but the accumulation of possibilities. It's the ability to wake up each morning and choose how you spend your precious time. It's the security that comes from knowing you can handle life's unexpected challenges without financial devastation. It's the freedom to pursue work that matters to you rather than working just to pay bills. When you understand this expanded definition, you begin building wealth with purpose rather than just collecting money. The first step in valuing wealth properly is recognizing that it serves as a tool for creating the life you want, rather than being the end goal itself. Wealth provides options. The option to leave a job that drains your spirit, the option to care for aging parents without financial stress, the option to support causes you believe in deeply. Each dollar saved and invested is essentially purchasing future freedom and flexibility. True wealth includes what I call invisible assets, resources that never appear on a balance sheet but dramatically impact your quality of life. Strong relationships, good health, valuable skills, and peace of mind are all forms of wealth that money can support but cannot directly buy. The wisest wealth builders understand that financial resources should enhance these invisible assets rather than replace them. Understanding wealth's value means recognizing the difference between price and worth. Luxury goods often carry high prices but provide little lasting worth to your well-being. Meanwhile, experiences like education, travel, and time with loved ones may have minimal price tags but create immeasurable worth in your life. Wealth wisely used focuses on acquiring worth rather than just accumulating expensive possessions. One of wealth's most undervalued benefits is the gift of attention. When you're not constantly worried about money, your mental energy becomes available for creativity, connection, and contribution. Financial security buys you back your cognitive bandwidth, the space to think deeply, to be present with loved ones, and to engage fully with life rather than being distracted by financial anxiety. Learning to value wealth includes understanding its responsibilities. Resources bring the power to influence not just your own life, but the lives of others and your community. Wealth becomes most meaningful when it's deployed to create positive impact, whether through creating jobs, supporting important work, or helping family members pursue their dreams. The wealthy individuals who report the greatest life satisfaction are those who see their resources as tools for service, rather than just personal consumption. Perhaps the most important wealth lesson is that it's not about having more, but about needing less while appreciating more. There's profound freedom in distinguishing between wants and needs, in finding joy in simplicity, and in valuing experiences over possessions. The wealthiest people often live well below their means, not because they have to, but because they've discovered that excessive consumption rarely brings lasting happiness. Your wealth journey becomes truly rewarding when it aligns with your unique values and vision for a meaningful life. Take time to define what wealth means to you personally. What experiences do you want it to enable? What problems do you want it to solve? What legacy do you want it to create? When your financial decisions flow from these deeper questions, wealth building becomes a purposeful adventure rather than a meaningless numbers game. If this perspective on true wealth resonated with you, we invite you to join our community. Please like this video if it provided value, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building a life of meaning, freedom, and purposeful prosperity.